Courtesy. Binibining Jasmine Courtesy na hindi mo mag-iiwan ng anumang bastos at nakatutuwa na sabihan dahil naniniwala po ako na kung ano man po ang mamumutawi sa aking mga labi ay ang siyang paniniwalaan ng pawang kabanata. Kaya nahirap pong magpakababae kung hindi po tayo tunay na babae. Mahirap din pong magpakalalaki kung hindi po tayo tunay na lalaki. Ngunit mas mahirap po yun ang magpakatao kung hindi po kami gagalangin. Re-respeto niyo bilang inyong kapwa-tao. Because we're born to be true and never to be perfect. Once again, this is your candidate number 8, Jasmine Curtis Mead, and I'm very proud to say that tonight, I'm wearing a Sampaguita-inspired Filipiniana costume that symbolizes the festivity of our brothers and sisters from the resilient people of San Pedro Laguna that always believe that it's not about what you are wearing, it's about how you are wearing.